Yes! Goal! We are crazy tonight, Tom.
This match is magic. I love soccer. Mom, they are too loud. It is a nightmare.
You two are addicted to that screen. Go to sleep.
Just 5 more minutes. It is a crazy game.
I will not sleep. I am strong. This is so unfair. They ignore us. Oh no. It is morning already?
I feel like a zombie. My head hurts.
You stayed awake all night. Bad choice.
Let's play soccer outside. Wake up! I am too tired. I can't run.
Sorry, Anna. We need to watch the replay.
You break your promise again. You are bad.
Look what you did. This is a disaster.
Wow!
Look at that player run.
I am playing alone. No one cares.
Soccer on TV is the best thing ever.
Wait. What happened? It is black.
Work! Work! This is a crazy disaster! Don't leave me! Wake up! It is a nightmare!
The zombies ate our electricity. We are doomed.
You are addicted, babies. It is just a blackout.
Hello, neighbors. The power is out.
Mr. Leo, our game is ruined.
Watching is fun, but playing is real magic. Look, your real team is right here.
I feel guilty. I made my sister cry.
We are bad fans. We forgot our family.
Anna, I am very sorry. Let's play together. Do you really want to play with me?
Honey, please forgive my crazy mistake.
Okay. but show me you are a real hero.
All right, let the Family World Cup begin!
I am fast. I am a champion.
Oh no, he is too strong!
So funny.
Watch out! Mom is the best player.
Here it goes. Super kick.
Goal! What a beautiful kick!
You are the winner, Anna. Good job.
Family is my real favorite team.
We don't need TV to be happy.
You see, the real magic is outside.
I am not a zombie anymore. I am healthy. Playing together is the best medicine.
I promise. No more crazy nights.
I will hold you to that promise, honey.
One, two, three!
Team! Thank you, Mr. Leo. Have some water.
Good boy.
Look! The power is back on.
Let the TV sleep. We stay here.
Wow, you really changed, Dad.
Pass the ball to me, Tom.
Moral: family time is the most beautiful match you will ever play.
Thank you. See you next time.
Learn English with Slow English Family. Bye-bye.